In-car exhaust sound, 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, cherry bone mufflers. That was maybe half throttle. I really couldn't tell. The vehicle was just kind of being loud. About half throttle. Alright guys, here's the in-cab exhaust video, 2013. Right now. I got the windows rolled up. I'm going over a bridge, so all the sounds kind of magnified a little bit. So can everybody else. You'll have all kind of people turning to see where the hell that sound's coming from. And this is usually about the last thing that they expect to see it coming from. I've had a lot of people tell me that. Be like, man, I didn't know Jeeps could sound like that. Oh man, the guy beside me just looked at me crazy as hell. Alright guys, I'll make another short little video with the in-cab sound at 70. I'm kind of in city limits right now, so speed limit 60. So, I'll be back. Now we're to the 70 mile per hour zone. it's just a little bit louder, but that's the max amount of drone. Now I am gonna get an X-pipe installed. I have it already, but to get it installed right now kind of be a pain in the butt because I don't know of any exhaust shops that are putting anything on right now without leaving your car with them. So where I work, I'm really not able to do that. So. That will be the next mod. First mod for this Jeep was the intake, because this thing was getting shit gas mileage. I was getting about, I don't know, 15 miles per gallon. I got the intake bumped it up to about 18. Directly after the intake, I got the exhaust bumped it up. I mean, you know, if I just put around, I can get 20, 21 miles per gallon. Which, the EPA rate, this thing isn't supposed to be anywhere close to that. I think that's more like what the V6 is supposed to get. So, I can't complain. Excuse the blurriness, but that's the sound, guys. Thank y'all for checking it out. If y'all like the video, subscribe. Tell me what y'all